Whom did you invite?
I invited my colleagues.
What time does it start?
It starts at 7 p.m.
Which book did you choose?
I chose To Kill a Mockingbird.
Whose car is it?
The car belongs to my neighbor.
Where is the store?
The store is just around the corner.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on July 15th.
Why did you choose it?
I chose it because it has great reviews and a variety of options.
How did you learn?
I learned through daily practice and by taking lessons.
How much does it cost?
It costs $20.
How many people attended the party?
20 people attended the party.
How often do you go to the gym?
I go to the gym 3 times a week.
How long is the movie?
The movie is 2 hours long.
How far is the airport from here?
The airport is 15 miles away.
How old is your sister?
My sister is 25 years old.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Adele.
How do you get to school?
I usually take the bus.
How do you like your coffee?
I like it with milk and sugar.
Is your brother coming to the party?
Yes, he'll be there.
Can I borrow your phone charger?
Yes, of course.